Okay, we're going to be out here testing our 88 Commission cast bullet load with that Lyman Spitzer bullet. I selected out of my group the Steyr 1890 because I've been finding out that the S stamp, all it means is they opened up the chamber to accept the S ammo. This still has a tight bore of about 320, 321. So we got one with a little bit tighter bore. We're going to run it through the chronograph and see what we end up with in terms of accuracy and velocity and all that other stuff. We're going to load the cast bullets light, so we know, even though they're undersized, and cast bullets have a little bit more give to them than a jacketed bullet. So that's what we're working on today, and we'll show the results when we're done. Okay, we're going to review the results with our cast bullet. This weird Spitzer type. The Lyman made this mold. Lyman discontinued that mold, and usually they do that when they don't sell or the bullets, I don't know, aren't popular, I guess, but I still got it, still cranking out some bullets. We tried this with 2400, and the first one we did with 19 grains, and that's the 5-shot group there. The gun was shooting high, I was aiming there, so I readjusted my point of aim. And got an extreme spread of 46 and a standard deviation of 17, so that ain't too cool. So then we got into here, and the 20 grain and the 21 grain seem to be about the same. We got a group here kind of tightened up with a flyer, a couple flyers, but about a 2-inch spread out to about 3 or 4 with the extreme spread. Let's see what the extreme spread is. Yeah, about 3 inches on the extreme. This one we got deviation of 30, or no, extreme spread of 30, standard deviation of 10. Now this one here looked a bit better. It's similar, about 2 inches on the spread there, but we got the one flyer that takes it out to 5. But we got an extreme spread of 18, a standard deviation of 6. And that's with about an 1,881 average velocity. And as we got up in velocity, our average here is 1,916. You see we started spreading out. I don't know if the bullets got unstable. You got 3 here, you got 1 there, and I think 1 down here. So I think the bullets, as we sped them up, started getting wild and kind of went to where, we had an extreme spread of 42 on this, standard deviation of 16. Then when we go up to 23 grains, we only got 2 on the target and 1 up here. They must have been flying all over. We got, our average velocity was 1,973. We got an extreme spread of 36 and a standard deviation of 16. See, it kind of gets worse as we go. I guess the bullets weren't stabilizing. And then when we went to the last and the max load, we only got 2 on paper. And the spread, 2 on paper, spread out about 3 inches. Extreme spread of 54, standard deviation of 22. So this bullet didn't do too good with 2400. In the lower ones, it did. It seems that the faster that goes, the more unstable it gets. So we're going to try this again. I think I'm going to try this bullet with unique, and then I am going to go on to the Lee style cast bullet, which is a little bit different. But I'm going to try this again with a different powder and see if I can get some better results. If not, I'll go with the Lee bullet and then we'll do some videos on that.